Welcome dear students. Today we will start with our first topic, introduction of statistics. So what is statistics? It is very interesting subject, and statistics provides us many significant aspects of the life. So statistics is a branch that deals with every aspect of data. Statistical knowledge helps to choose the proper method of collecting the data and employs those samples in the correct analysis process in order to effectively produce the results. In short, statistics is a crucial process which helps to make the decision based on the data. There are some different divisions of statistics. Somewhere it is applied statistics, somewhere it is mathematical statistics, it is descriptive, somewhere it is inferential, it is inductive. Fine. So we will discuss all the types of statistics one by one. So these are the divisions of statistics: descriptive, inferential, applied, inductive, analytical and mathematical. So descriptive statistics it involves describing and summarizing the set of numerical data with the help of pictures and statistical quantities. Techniques used may include averages, dispersions, skewness and time series, etc. What is inferential statistics? Inferential statistics it encompasses those methods that are helpful in drawing conclusion and inferences with respect to parameters of population based on estimates which are drawn from sample like chi-square test, F-test and T-test. Applied statistics are those methods and techniques which are used in applied statistics which are applicable to specific problems of real life scenario. These techniques may include sample survey. Inductive statistics are those methods and techniques which are covered to use and identify a specific phenomena based on random observations. Techniques used may include extrapolation. What is analytical statistics? Analytical statistics uses such methods and techniques that are helpful in setting up functional relationship amidst variables. In this, correlation, regression, association and attribute techniques are used. In mathematical statistics, we deal with the application of different mathematical theories and techniques to develop different statistical techniques. The techniques uses like integration, differentiation, trigonometry, matrices and etc. Now we will discuss about origin and growth of statistics. The origin of statistics can be traced back to the primitive men who put notches on tree to keep an account of his belongings. During 5000 BC, kings used to carry out census of population and resources of the state. Kings of olden days make their crucial decision on wars based on statistical of inferential and elephantary units of their own and that of their enemies. Later, it enhances its scope in their kingdoms, tax management and administrative domains. Thus, the word statistics has its root either to the Latin word status or Italian word statista or German word statistic, each of which means a political state. The word statistics was primarily associated with the presentation of facts and figures pertaining to demographic, social and political situation prevailing in a state or from the government. Its evolution over time formed the basis for most of the science and art disciplines. Statistics is used in the development phases of both theoretical and applied areas, encompassing the field of industry, agriculture, medicine, sports and business analytics. So now we will discuss about the definition. Science, it is a science of collection, presentation, analysis and reasonable interpretation of data. Statistics presents a rigorous scientific method for gaining insight into data. However, statistics can give an instant overall picture of data based on the graphical presentation or numerical summarization, irrespective of the numbers of the data points. Besides data summarization, another important task of statistics is to make inference and predict relation of variables. Now we will talk about the characteristics of statistics. Statistics are aggregate of facts. Single and non-connected facts or figures are not statistics. Rather, when weak facts are aggregates, they are said to be statistics as they can be compared with each other. Affected to a substantial extent by a variety of causes, a variety of reasons. This means that statistics are influenced to a substantial extent by a number of facts that operate together. For example, these statistics like method of cultivation, climate condition, seeds, fertilizers and manure, they are affected with certain reasons. Numerical expression. Statistics are expressed in terms of numbers. Therefore, qualitative expressions such as happy, sad, right, wrong, bad do not amount to statistics. For example, here we talk about only in terms of the quantity. We can study on the height, we can study on the percentage, we can't study on the intelligence. Enumerated or estimated as per the reasonable standard of accuracy. Statistics is enumerated or estimated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy. It needs to be, the reasonable accuracy needs to be there in statistical data as it acts as basis for the field of statistical inquiry. This is because if the scope of inquiry is narrow, then by using the method of actual counting, the data can be collected. Whereas if the scope of inquiry is wide, then the data collection will be based on the estimate and estimates can be inaccurate. Data collection is carried out in a systematic manner. The statistical data is collected in a systematical manner because in the absence of any system, the data collection can be unreliable and inaccurate, which may also lead to misleading conclusions. Further, the purpose for its collection needs to be stated beforehand to keep its usefulness intact. Now, the data must be placed in relation to each other because when the basis of two units is heterogeneous, the comparison is not possible. Now we will discuss about some importance of statistical data. The important functions of statistics are: statistics help in gathering information about appropriate quantitative data. It depicts the complex data in graphical form, tabular form, or in a diagrammatical representation to provide us the easy understanding of the data. It provides the exact description and better understanding of the data. It helps us in designing the effective and proper planning of the statistical inquiry in any field. It gives valid references with the reliability measures about the population parameters from the sample data collected. It helps to understand the variability pattern through the quantitative data. Limitations of statistics. The first serious limitation of statistics is it deals only with the aggregate of facts. It does not study the individual. It does not study the single observation. Therefore, the method of statistics do not give any recognition to an individual person, object or event. The next limitation of statistical data is that it deals mostly with the numeric data. So, statistics is more applicable to those phenomena which can be measured quantitatively, not qualitatively. The third important part of the limitation is that its conclusions are truly only on the average or aggregates. Therefore, statistical inference may not be considered as exact like conclusion based on the mathematical laws or mathematical science. What are the next is the function of statistics. It reduces complexity of the data. It expresses the facts in numbers. It presents the data in condensed form. It increases the individual knowledge and experience. The different phenomena are compared. It is helpful in formulation of policies, and it is helpful in prediction of forecasting. So thank you everyone.